I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gudhal flower for hair. This natural ingredient offers amazing benefits for your hair health. It is known to strengthen your hair roots, significantly reducing hair fall. Furthermore, Gudhal promotes healthy hair growth and imparts a beautiful, natural shine. It also acts as a fantastic conditioner, leaving your hair feeling incredibly soft and manageable. Let's dive into some easy methods to incorporate this wonderful flower into your hair care routine. One of the most effective ways to use Gudhal is by making your own hair oil. First, gather about 5 to 10 fresh Gudhal flowers and an equal number of leaves. Grind these into a smooth paste, adding just a tiny bit of water if needed. Next, mix this paste with approximately 1 cup of pure coconut oil. Gently heat this mixture on a low flame for about 10 minutes. Once cooled, strain the oil and store it in a clean bottle for regular use. For a deep conditioning treatment, a Gudhal hair mask works wonders. Start by grinding about 5 Gudhal flowers and 5 leaves into a fine paste. To this paste, add 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, which provides extra nourishment. Mix everything thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, consistent mask. Apply this mask generously to your scalp and all along your hair strands. Let it sit for approximately 30 minutes, then rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water. A simple Gudhal hair rinse can also significantly improve your hair's health and appearance. Begin by boiling about 10 Gudhal flowers in 2 cups of water. Let it simmer for approximately 10 minutes until the water reduces slightly and the color deepens. Allow the mixture to cool completely, then strain out the flowers. Use this fragrant liquid as a final rinse after you have shampooed and conditioned your hair. It adds a beautiful shine and strengthens your hair with every wash.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.